Hello everyone, welcome to yet another episode of the Shusha podcast. My name is Abhijit Bhatt with me Shweta Rashmi और आज हम रिव्यू करने वाले हैं फिल्म शेरशाह को. So let's begin. Alright, so शेरशाह एक फिल्म बेस्ड ऑन कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा की लाइफ के ऊपर जिन्होंने who sacrificed his life for the nation in the 1999 Kargil war and who was awarded the Paramveer Chakra for his valiant and courage-filled actions. तो उनकी लाइफ के ऊपर इट्स अ बायोपिक ऑफ सॉर्ट्स जिसमें सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा इज प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा एंड उनकी कहानी के ऊपर पूरी जर्नी दिखाई गई है. सो श्वेता, फर्स्ट इंप्रेशंस. आई नो इट्स द पेट्रियोटिक सीजन. 15 अगस्त इज राइट अराउंड द कॉर्नर, सो बॉलीवुड की तरफ से एक पेट्रियोटिक फिल्म तो बनती ही थी. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट द फिल्म?
I think I really enjoyed it. It's like you rightly said कि patriotism vibes already आने शुरू हो जाते हैं this time of the year, and especially Bollywood, you know, with songs and you know with music videos, with films. So yeah, this time it's Shershaah और कहानी के बारे में of course हम सबको पता है, but I think it's also important कि लोग ये कहानी देखें जिससे कि उनको actually में sacrifices के बारे में पता चले. बहुत सी ऐसी फिल्में आती रहती हैं जिसमें obviously you know हम देखते हैं कि किस तरह से जो लोग जो जवान वहाँ पे बॉर्डर पे लड़ रहे हैं, the kind of sacrifices that they make for us, you know, अपनी फैमिलीज को छोड़ के जाना and all of these various things. तो I think it's हर उस एस्पेक्ट को बहुत ही खूबसूरती से दिखाया गया है. ना ही विक्रम बत्रा की, कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा की यू नो फैमिली का, पर इनफैक्ट उनके फ्रेंड्स के साथ उनका कैसा रिलेशनशिप था, उनके कॉलीग्स के साथ, उनकी फियांसे के साथ डिम्पल. So yeah, all of that has been shown like in a very balanced way. So I really enjoyed it.
जैन साहब, लेफ्टिनेंट विक्रम बत्रा रिपोर्टिंग सर.
क्या जगह है सर, जहाँ देखो वहाँ पिक्चर पोस्ट कार्ड दिखाई देते हैं.
ये जगह जितनी खूबसूरत दिखती है ना, उससे कहीं ज्यादा खतरनाक भी.
Yeah, so for me, I mean, the film had its moments definitely, पर कहीं पर मुझे लगा कि सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा थोड़ा सा मतलब लैक कर रहे हैं टू कैप्चर द ट्रू एसेंस ऑफ यू नो कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा, हु इज अ नेशनल हीरो एंड विल ऑलवेज रिमेन वन. तो वो मुझे थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लमैटिक लगा कहीं पर कि मुझे वो फर्वर, उनका इंथुजियाज्म वो कैप्चर होता हुआ नहीं दिख रहा था फिल्म में. दूसरा चीज क्या है कि कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा की अगर आप लाइफ के बारे में पढ़ें तो वो किसी फिल्मी स्टोरी से कम नहीं है. द काइंड ऑफ लाइफ दैट ही लिव्ड, be it his association with his fiancée Dimple Cheema, जिनका किरदार यहाँ पे कियारा आडवाणी प्ले कर रही हैं, or his journey or the way that he you know came into the Indian Army. So for me वो कहीं ना कहीं लगा कि I think the film did not do पूरा justice to it, but having said that, it's one of the better attempts at making a war movie by the Hindi film industry. So वो मुझे सही लगा. बाकी मुझे इसका मिड सेक्शन बड़ा अच्छा लगा जहाँ पे he comes into the form as Captain Vikram Batra, सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा, and it also reminded me of लक्ष्य. यार मतलब do you think so कि मतलब एक पॉइंट पे मुझे वो ऋतिक की लक्ष्य वाली फिल्म की पूरी वाइब आ रही थी, and same almost identical dialogues the way Kiara Advani you know scolds him कि तुम focus नहीं on that. So what do you think of that?
Yeah, I think that is one of the aspects. I think जो भी ये films that are made on war and you know all the entire vibe, कुछ ऐसी you know झलकियां दिखती हैं. लक्ष्य is actually, I don't know, लक्ष्य is like very close to it. You're right. I mean, it does remind me of that a lot. But I think all in all it was okay, because it could have also gone really wrong in terms of एक्टिंग, क्योंकि कहानी के ऑफ कोर्स वी कैन नॉट टॉक अबाउट द स्टोरी एज सच कि क्या अच्छा था खराब था, बिकॉज इट्स ऑल रियल, सो दैट्स आउट ऑफ द पिक्चर. बट अगर हम परफॉर्मेंसेस की बात करें, कैरेक्टर्स की बात करें, तो आई थिंक दैट द कास्टिंग वाज डन प्रीटी वेल, लाइक वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट अर्लियर एज वेल. सो या आई थिंक आई फील दैट सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा वाज लाइक, जितना भी उनको अभी तक हमने देखा है from you know whatever he's done so far, I think this was one of his really good performances.
तुम लोगों की मौत आसमान से बरसेगी.
अपनी मौत को दुश्मन की मौत बनाना इन नामी को आता है नहीं.
Kiara का जो भी you know, I mean of course the film is not centered around Kiara, but she still plays a very essential role, and whenever she comes on the screen she has a great screen presence. So that is one thing which I really like.
And she's a really good actress, I think. मतलब काफी अच्छी एक्टिंग करती है.
Agreed.
And consistently कर रही है.
I saw. Yeah, she is. So I think apart from that, also the casting, you were talking about that earlier. That it's been done really well, right? What do you think?
Yeah, the casting is किसी characters की, for example, the Bansi character, उनकी casting काफी similar हुई है. Like they've taken an almost identical person to play the role. Apart from that, I mean, performance-wise also, yeah, you're right. I mean, Siddharth Malhotra from Kapoor and Sons has really come a long way, as I can see in this film. I mean, Kapoor and Sons में he was pretty cardboardish, but इसमें he's brought in some more emotions.
वो हाल करो हिंदुस्तानी फौजियों का कि कोई उनकी लाशें देखने की भी हिम्मत न जुटा पाए।
हम तैयार हैं जनाब।
हम शांति की रक्षा के लिए अपनी शक्ति का भी प्रदर्शन कर सकते हैं।
बाकी this film does have its authentic moments. Like मेरा favorite scene है जिसमें there's a scene where Siddharth Malhotra's character, he oversteps a certain boundary with his senior and how the senior, you know, tackles with him. So that is done very subtle तरीके से and very nicely. Also इसके special effects are pretty nice. Like एक पूरा scene है जहाँ पे shelling होती है और वो पूरा scene काफी visually काफी grand लगता है, तो काफी सही बना रखा है इन्होंने. That is a definite watch. So ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब the film is devoid of any authenticity. It has its nice authentic moments. And of course, like you said earlier, it does fill you with a zeal of, you know, it reminds you essentially कि मतलब yes, there are people fighting for the nation 24/7. There are people fighting so that we can sleep peacefully. So उस context में yes, the film really does deliver. काफी अच्छा emotional content है.
Also, I think what I really liked also कि unnecessary गाने नहीं भरे थे. You know, unnecessary. There were no tracks. There are 2 songs which are between Siddharth and Kiara, and I have honestly really liked those songs ever since they've released. Online जब से आए तब से मुझे दोनों गाने बहुत पसंद हैं. और फिल्म में भी जब मैंने देखा जिस तरह से I did not seem like it's, you know, कि अरे क्यों आ गया ये all of that, because it's a very sweet romantic track as well between Sid and Kiara. So I think I really liked the song as well. But since you spoke about your favorite scene, I think I don't want to call it like my favorite scene, but I think the climax is going to be very difficult for people to watch because
yeah,
the way it's shot and the way you see it with the entire background score and just the way it comes together basically. It's very emotional for the viewers. I mean, I remember like when I was interviewing Sid and Kiara, they were talking about how everybody on the set, even when shoot nahi chal raha tha, even when the cameras were not rolling, everybody, you know, were having those sniffles and they were still like getting emotional. So I remember saying this to them ki, like, you know, I don't know how you guys shot it. I'm already thinking about it and getting emotional, and literally that happened while watching because it's shot in such a way that, you know, there's just so many feelings that you're filled with. There's patriotism, there's this gratefulness, you're just thankful for so many things. So ये सब चीजें हैं, and I think that is just shot very, very beautifully. And I think also for a lot of people, since, you know, like the second wave hit and COVID का entire situation happened, a lot of people lost, you know, their loved ones. So seeing all that will definitely be, I think, especially the scene, I think it will be very difficult for some people, but I think it's also because it's just shot beautifully.
So yes, that was our review of Shershah the film. I think it's a good watch. Independence Day pe it will fill you with a sense of pride for our brave-hearted soldiers, and देखनी बनती है ये film, काफी सही बनाई गई है. So do give it a watch. It's released already, and let us know in the comment section what do you think of the film, and if there's any other film/TV show that you would want us to review, do let us know that as well in the comment section. Till then, this is Team Shosha saying bye bye.